Hello, my name is Dan Wogu Godstan Chibuzo. I am an applied health science student of Brigham Young University, Idaho. I'm going to talk about the effects of alcohol on our happiness and health. Do you know drinking alcohol can lead to death? A study showed excessive drinking caused 1 out of 10 deaths among working age adults aged 20 to 64 years. Are you aware alcohol can cause serious diseases, cancers, learning and memory problems? A research tells us 51% of the cases in which a husband stabbed a wife happened because of drinking alcohol. A friend shared his experience with me about how alcohol negatively affected his relationship with his father. He told me his father drinks a lot of alcohol and cannot live each day without taking alcohol. One day, he spent a lot of money drinking and buying drinks for his colleagues. He failed to take care of his family's needs because of his drinking habits. He was known to often beat up his wife and son in the public. This made his wife and son got separated from him. They became unhappy and fall sick most of the time. Sadly, can you imagine how bitter my friend feels when the world observes Father's Day? Have you now seen how dangerous alcohol is to our health and happiness? Are you ready to join us to help our society become free from the effect of alcohol? Do you now understand the need to talk to community people and government leaders to make laws or policies to control alcohol use? Do not delay. Come and join us to help people in our society stop taking alcohol and live a healthy and happy life. Thank you for listening and accepting to take action against the use of alcohol in our society. You can learn more about how you can help achieve this by visiting the website www.healthylifeorganization/alcoholcontrol.org.